And even though a new vaccine is coming, there is still plenty of frustration all over the state over the state's vaccine rollout.
Yeah, that's a big one. Well, let's bring in Paul Gessler live for us at M&T Bank Stadium, where tomorrow that will become a mass vaccination site. So, Paul, those eligible to receive a vaccine still struggling to find appointments.
That's exactly the case, Rick and Nicole. Good afternoon to you. During the first several days, there will be very limited number of appointments here. We're told between 250 to 500 appointments a day here at M&T Bank Stadium, with plans next week in early March of going up to 2,000 appointments a day here. As you can see now, signage is on the north side of the stadium here, welcoming you to the vaccination site, urging you at every step along the way that this is by appointment only. For those still waiting for weeks to get an appointment, supply and shots cannot come soon enough. 80-year-old Joyce Thane says she's been on a vaccine waiting list 40 days and counting.
Officially put me on their register on the 15th.
The Aberdeen resident has been eligible for a shot more than 4 weeks. Now the state is in phase 1C.
And they haven't even finished with the 1Bs.
At the direction of state health officials, she's on multiple waiting lists, starting with Harford County.
I signed up in Cecil County. I've tried to get on Walgreens, signed up on anything that would take.
You cannot schedule an appointment for a vaccine that does not yet exist.
The state has 2 mass vaccination sites set up and running, with 2 more on the way. M&T Bank Stadium is set to begin shots Thursday, and the minor league baseball stadium in Waldorf next month. The University of Maryland Medical System is operating the M&T Bank Stadium site.
Obviously, we need to get vaccines in arms.
Governor Hogan said in the coming weeks, mass vaccination sites would be added in western Maryland and the Eastern Shore. Here in Harford County, local officials offered up Ripken Stadium, but as of right now, there are no plans to use this site.
They offered the site. It's right on I-95, and as you said, we think it's a perfect site for a mass vac site.
For Joyce, who has high blood pressure and is turning 81 this summer, she and others over 75 continue to wait for supply to catch up to demand.
They haven't heard anything either. If you try and call any of those places, they don't answer.
Back live now here at M&T Bank Stadium. Those select Marylanders who have appointments here will be getting shots from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. tomorrow and Friday, those hours slowly extending as they can make more appointments. The locations of those future mass vaccination sites across Maryland have still yet to be finalized. We're live at 5 outside M&T Bank Stadium tonight. I'm Paul Gessler for WJZ.